Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the bike safe and accessible. First, turn the ignition off and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, remove the seat and the necessary side panels so you can reach the ECU and connectors. Make sure fasteners are organized and the service manual or wiring diagram is on hand. With an OBD adapter and a basic metric socket set ready, you're positioned to read codes and inspect connectors immediately, rather than guessing later. Now you diagnose the root cause before clearing the light. Connect the OBD adapter to the diagnostic port and read stored fault codes to identify the failing sensor or circuit. While monitoring live data, visually inspect the ECU connectors, sensor plugs, and grounds for corrosion, damaged pins, or loose connections. If you find a faulty sensor or wiring fault, repair or replace the component. After fixing, clear stored codes with the scanner and observe live data to confirm the fault doesn't return. Finish by reconnecting the battery and starting the engine to verify the check engine light stays off. Make sure to let the bike idle and run for 10 to 15 minutes while watching live sensor values. Then take a short ride to warm the engine and confirm stable readings. If the light comes back, immediately rescan for new or persistent codes and inspect fuel delivery, oxygen sensor behavior, and ECU mounting for vibration damage. One troubleshooting tip: intermittent lights often mean loose grounds or a failing connector. Recheck those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.